What's up, guys? We got a couple of Mazda Repute trucks, pickup trucks. Interesting. Very sharp, very nice. Exact same things, just different colors. Nice detail on the back, the green one. The white wheels are sharp. Nice. Let's see if the orange one has the exact same thing. I think it does. I'm not sure. Come on. Stay up there. Stay up there. Okay. Front end looks the same. Different wheels. Rotary power. Let's see. What do we got here? Oh, okay. Nothing wants to stay. A little different. Different wheels. Underneath is the same. Exact same front. Everything else is the same, guys. Awesome. Put that up there. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I like these little trucks. Nice little pickup trucks. Thanks for watching. Mazda Repute. I think that's how you say it.